Hello folks, good afternoon. Coltt Lepley here, driver of the number 4L, all things automotive race saver sprint car. We got a little wind here today, but I'm excited because today's the day we unveil Junkyard Annie's graphics package. For those of you that wonder who or what that is, that's my race car. I'm a very superstitious race car driver. We name all our cars, that's good luck. No green on the car except for sponsors, no peanuts in the race trailer. So, Junkyard Annie, that's her name because she had donor parts from Black Delilah, which was our last race car. And just a few parts we had laying around the shop, put her together. Looks really nice. Brian Lowry at BSL Racing Graphix did a bang-up job on it. Looks great. So we're going to run through the sponsors and debut her here right now. So, there she is in all of her orange and black glory. We're going to run through the sponsors here. We'll start right here in front. One of our longest running sponsors with us since go-kart days, Helsell's Auto Center of Bedford. Been with us, I think, 8 years. Also here on the front wing, we have NCDMM. Read it with me, it's a mouthful. The National Center for Defense Manufacturing and Machining. They're out of Evansburg. Great to have them. Also, one of our longest running sponsors, REF Trucking. Also been with us. They've been with us the longest out of everybody. Great to have them. Also coming up on 8 years with them as well. While we're on top here, we'll go left to right just like reading a book. Howard Hanna Bardell Realty. The standard in our local real estate market here. They just opened an Everett office. Check them out. Great company. Also, Berkey Bow Oil 2+2. Shade Tree mechanics and professionals alike. Trust them. They help us out with race fuel and gum cutter. I know you've all used their products. Great, trustworthy stuff. Also, Best Way Pizza of Bedford. They have one of the best social media presence of any company that I've worked with. Check them out every day for new deals, giveaways, and fan appreciations. Okay, here on the side, of course, all things automotive. That's what we're doing the live videos for here today. Awesome to have them back on board. Castrol there. I'll get back to the Lepley's logo, something new and exciting with that. Here on the side, we've got Baker's Body Center coming back for their 3rd year as a wing sponsor. Love having them back as well. Here on the side, we've got Lance DeWeese Shocks, BSL Race Graphix. Thank you, Brian. CG Racing Engines Toyer, Speed Shop. J&J Speed Shop out of Urbana, PA. Stacy Lepley Photography, Shout Out Mom. Zemco Speed Equipment, and Mart's Chassis. Moving right along here to the back. Like I said, we'll come back to the Lepley's logo. Another All Things Automotive sticker. Here on the right side, we've got Case Beverage out of Bedford, PA. Also have a great social media presence. Check them out every day for new deals and offers and giveaways. Here on the side, Valley Auto Corvette Sales. That's also Corvettes Wanted. They've been with us for 8 years as well, since the go-kart days. Glad to have them on board. And Designing Images Hair and Nail Salon. They keep me looking half decent. Been going to them since as long as I can remember. And thrilled to have them on board as well. All right, there's Castro again. Now, something cool here with this Lepley's logo. We changed it the last few years. We brought it back. This is the original 1985 Lepley's Plumbing and Heating logo. Really cool to have this back on board. Check out the little guy here. Fun fact, first person, I mean everybody around here now seems to have the little logo guy. We had it first in 1985. Awesome to run the family colors, and awesome to have Brian do up this beautiful car that we call Junkyard Annie. So, updates for the weekend. We're going to be at Bedford Speedway on Sunday as long as the weather stays away. We're, of course, hoping it is. That'll do it for me today. Shout out to Alyssa Rao. Good luck tonight at Cumberland, I believe. You'll do great. And thank you. And tune in again next week for the weekly update. Thank you very much. This has been All Things Automotive Live TV with Coltt Lepley Racing. Have a good night.